Is it? I took the steering servo off the gyro, so.
Gyro?
Yeah, because I had.
Is it actually helping?
It was for steering. I had to take it off. Yeah, it did a lot. It helped a lot. I had to take it off because the servos that I used were different. Yeah. I'd go left and it would go right. See? It doesn't know. Pilot's on crack or something. The rudder works, the rudder is still stabilized, but I didn't slave them together for them.
Timer cleared.
Yep, ready? What happened?
Did you see that?
No, I was looking at mine.
The wind just picked it up. I was like,
Didn't flip it though, did it?
going up.
Didn't flip it, it just picked it up.
No. I was like, it was like gusty. It just.
Whoop.
I was like, well. Way better now that you're here to do it.
It's different. Whoa, dude, way the frick over. Whoa! Gotta call it soon. Really weird wind. It is. It's all weird. Going downwind is not good. You gotta go into it. Because my controls were blanked out.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
They were just like.
The plane was just doing whatever. Yeah. That's alright, it just didn't do anything. It didn't matter what it was doing. It is not happy on that other side over there. The wind is crazy. That worked out. I caught up. It's all over. We're screwing us up. As soon as we're doing something, it kicks us the other way. And right there, all my controls go blank. Right here. Yeah. See, it just totally went blank. Yeah, and I'm like out of control almost. Really? The exhaust, because it points down. were right there with me. Yep, see? It blinks, just nothing works. Well, and it's hard to do with this wind. I mean, normally I'm super comfortable with this plane, but the wind is really knocking me over. Yeah, but not full throttle. I got that too. I was looking at you though. I was looking at your plane the whole time.
Yeah.
I had my eyes on mine, but looking at yours. The hat was pointing to yours.
That was a sweet ass
Dirty, dirty. Dirty, dirty. Oh, that's a 6000. Nice. Way over what you normally do.
5 minutes and 30 seconds.
What's the voltage?
22.7. I landed 22.3.
Dude, that's perfect.
That's amazing. And the light.
I get those for this. Seriously, it's the same size.
You're right.
Yeah,
You are right.
it's the same size.
You're right.
And they're cheaper than rolling top. Because that's what I have in there now, 5800.
Like, get right place for this. Yeah, you're right.